Guys, so the guy told us that room number one clearly was not for us because there's only one bedroom. Okay? You have the key on you? Do you have the key on you? Okay, because I'm closing it because all that shit's in there. Okay, now we're in room number two. He tells us to come check out room number two. So we walk in. This is room number two. Alright, I'm like, oh, okay, this is not that bad. This looks better than the other room. Although, who the fuck cleaned it? Like, Jesus Christ. Like, look at this shit. Like,
I feel COVID already.
like, who cleaned this, bro?
Girl, look at this.
Like, who cleaned this? I'm gonna take that painting though.
Bro, just show them over there.
Look at this shit.
Bro, this.
Okay, this is the washroom. And once again, the towels are just like thrown here. Like, they just throw them there. Okay? Toilet seat is up. Motherfuckers don't even close the fucking toilet seat. Okay? This is one room. Okay? Not terrible. But what the fuck is that on the fucking thing?
What is
Look at that. What the fuck is that? Like, am I gonna cover myself with that, bro? I'm gonna go to sleep with my mask on, bro. Okay? This is the mattress. I'll teeth that mattress, eh? Play with me, dog. I'll put that shit on top of you. Okay, and this is the other room. Okay, a cot and a fucking mattress. Like seriously. And then you know what's crazy? You know what the craziest thing about this is?
What?
We're literally downtown Montreal. Like, as soon as we walk out, we're in the core.
Bro, we are in the slums.
We're in the slums. This is Chinatown, Montreal.
Holy look at our TV.
Look at this TV. Look at this fucking TV. I don't even think it's plugged in. Is it plugged in? It's not even fucking plugged in, bro.
It's not even plugged in.
It's not even plugged in, bro. I'm pretty sure the shoes on our feet right now are worth more than this fucking place. I swear to God, bro. I'm not even joking. Brick wall, okay? The brick wall's kind of nice. I like it.
My God, yo.
Holy crap.
This guy's like, yo. This guy was like, you want number two? It's better than number one, but
still,
this is disgusting.
This is like the worst. I want this table though. I'll keep this table. Like what?
Like, I feel like someone's gonna come and fucking shoot us in here, you know?
Like, I really feel like someone's just gonna come rob us. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's get a hotel.
Look at this shit.
Let's get a hotel. This is fucking gross.
Why is there a key here?
Huh?
Oh, that's outside. That's our other place.
Where's the key?
What key?
They said where's the key there?
No, there's a key right there.
Key?
Right by the window, yeah.
Okay, worst comes to worst, we'll take this place, but other than that...
Whatever, I'm sleeping on this fucking red couch right here. With the light on. And with all my shit next to me. Who owns this place? Wealth management? Fuck, he needs fucking...
Dude, this is...
health management.
This is disgusting.
Like, it just smells like a fucking brothel in here. And back into
This shithole. What is this, bro?
our first place. Like, we have
I actually feel like we're gonna get shot here.
like, everything on us is worth more
Than this fucking place.
than this fucking place. Wow. Is this TV unplugged in? Yo, bro, look.
What?
This TV's not even plugged in. This TV's not even plugged in, bro.
Oh my God. Okay, let me go and just fucking...
Whatever, we'll take the other place.
Dude, I don't even know it's clean. That's the thing.
Okay, so this is the room. There's the door. This is the bedroom. This is the bed, and there's a door right beside the bed. And the door doesn't even. This is our balcony. Some plywood. Look at that. And it just, like, what is that? That's like a 15-foot drop, bro. Someone's pulling up in a whip right now. You know what's so funny about this place? The fire extinguisher is outside.
Dude, someone can just walk in here. Holy.